Dear Kepcha Motivation family, dear Papua New Guinea, as the sun rises this Easter, it does more than mark a holiday. It marks hope, renewal, and the unshakable truth that even in our darkest hours, resurrection is real. Over 2,000 years ago, a stone was rolled away, and from that empty tomb came the most powerful message in history. Death is not the end, defeat is not final, and pain does not get the last word. And that message, it's not just ancient history. It speaks to us today, right here in Papua New Guinea. We are a nation that knows hardship. We've seen political confusion, economic pressure, corruption, inequality, and rising costs that burden the average citizen. But like Christ's journey from the cross to the resurrection, our story isn't finished. It's still being written. Easter tells us that there is power in rising again, that through faith, unity, and purpose, a broken land can heal, a struggling people can rise, a silent voice can shout again. To my subscribers, you are more than viewers, you are visionaries. Keep building, keep believing, keep pushing, even when life feels like Good Friday, because Sunday always comes. To the people of PNG, this Easter, let's not just celebrate the resurrection, let's live it. Let's resurrect integrity in our leadership. Let's resurrect love in our communities. Let's resurrect purpose in our youth. Let's rise together as one people, one nation under God, because Papua New Guinea was not built to break. We were built to rise, from the empty tomb to a hope-filled nation. Happy Easter. Stay motivated, stay grounded, and as always, let your life be the message. With love and purpose, Kepcha Motivation.